Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we'll learn how to fill out your IRS W-4 form for 2026 the right way. The W-4 form helps your employer determine how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. Filling it out correctly ensures you don't owe too much or get too little back at tax time. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Personal information. Full name. Enter your legal first and last name. Social Security number, SSN. Write your SSN. Address. Provide your home address. Filing status. Check the box that applies to you. Single or married, filing separately. Married, filing jointly. Head of household, if you're single and support a dependent. Step 2. Multiple jobs or spouse works. If you have more than one job or your spouse also works, this section helps adjust your withholding correctly. You can choose one of the following. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator online for the most accurate result. Use the multiple jobs worksheet on page 3 of the W-4 form. If you have two jobs with the same pay, simply check the box in Step 2. Step 3. Claim dependents. If your income is $200,000 or less, $400,000 or less if married, filing jointly. Enter $2,000 per qualifying child under 17. Enter $500 per other dependent. This helps reduce your withholding based on eligible tax credits. Step 4. Other adjustments, optional. Use this section if you need to make additional changes. Other income. Add income not subject to withholding, like dividends or retirement income. Deductions. If you plan to claim deductions, like mortgage interest or charitable donations, beyond the standard deduction. Extra withholding. Enter any additional amount you want withheld from each paycheck. Step 5. Sign and date. Sign and date the form to certify that the information is true and accurate. Additional tips. Review and update your W-4 each year or when your life changes, such as marriage, a new child, or a new job. After submitting, check your paycheck to make sure the correct amount of tax is being withheld. The goal of filling out your W-4 is to make sure you don't owe too much or get an overly large refund at the end of the year. For the most accurate results, visit the IRS official website or talk to a tax professional. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.